Welcome to our tutorial about engine comparing. And here we have, as you remember, Sky tests. And here we had reference prompting tests with the Sky replacement. Now let's try to connect our source image with our different Sky options using different engines. To make test more clear, I will upload a source file again. Load only one. Okay, I'll simply remove all those unuseful stuff. So no, it's a bad idea because you will not able to work with that. So I'll click here. I will select not all engines are available for those connections. Yeah, like you also need to understand that not all engines are at this moment working with a reference connection. So we will need to select the source, select the engine, for example, Flux to Pro, select our reference skies. I'll move them here to make it more clean. And let's connect. I'll use this one. NanoBanana Pro was okay. It will be a fair test. So I'm selecting source. I'm jumping to my presets, sky reference. Replace the sky from the first photo, from the sky from the second photo. Don't change foreground or architecture. Don't change the camera settings and the frame aspect ratio. Now I'm connecting it here. And I'm hitting make on engine Flux to Pro. Okay, and it's going. Let's do the same. Simply just selecting source image again, changing the engine to ChatGPT, connecting my image here, and using the same prompt. So quality medium, size okay, cost 1.5 tokens, it's okay. Clicking make, and let's wait. So it will be ChatGPT test. Now I'm changing the engine to NanoBanana, standard NanoBanana, not Pro. Of course, the same prompt about the sky replacement, as I mentioned a few minutes before. Adding this node with the sky, hitting make, and it's going. So it's going, and again, selecting source image, selecting engine, it will be Seedream. Selecting 2K, original, and our standard prompt is here about sky replacement. You can try your own, but this one is okay. And let's hit make, the cheapest option here. And let's wait a second and see their results. And while we are waiting, I can say you that Flux 2 has definitely same issue. Like it's too bright. It was the same with the sky prompting. ChatGPT is, hallucinating too much. It completely changed the sky, as you see. Like we had a reference image, but you can see also, yeah, if everything is connected correctly, yes. Like we had the source image, it's connected to our ChatGPT, and it's not looking so good. So like, it's not the same sky. So ChatGPT is losing this competition. Let's look at Flux. Not so bad, not so bad. I can leave it here for a second. And let's check the Seedream and NanoBanana. And let's compare to the reference image. It's difficult to say, but I think NanoBanana is winning, of course, again. It's the best result so far. So NanoBanana is winning this competition. Seedream is good, but not so perfect as NanoBanana. And Flux 2 Pro changed a little bit for me, a little bit burning the light. So I don't think I'll use it. And yeah, finally we have NanoBanana and Seedream. And of course NanoBanana Pro, because we tested it. We tested NanoBanana Pro here. Yeah. So generally, NanoBanana Pro is the winner, NanoBanana is second one, and the Seedream is on the third place. It's quite good, it's quite advanced, but in my opinion, at this moment, NanoBanana is winning. NanoBanana or NanoBanana Pro is completely winner. So yeah, that's the conclusions. And thanks for your attention. Hope you will try it and test it as many as you can, and see you in the next tutorials. Bye.